Hi everyone, AK here, and in this video training series for the Efficientpreneur Club, we're going to talk about funnels or marketing funnels. A funnel is a series of pages that leads the customer or the prospect into to do something. So like example, this page. Funnels can be built in different softwares, like it can be built within certain plugins on WordPress. It can be built, here I'm using Lead Pages. It can be built through ClickFunnels or Thrive theme, different softwares. So this page, I am usually you give something, they call it ethical bribe or they call it lead magnet for free. So here, let's say in this page, I'm giving 2 chapters of my book. When someone here opts, they will get 2 chapters of my book. And this page is like you design the page for one purpose, which is like pushing the people into take one action, right? So the whole point of this page is for people to download the 2 chapters, and I will get their name and email, and then after they do that, they usually go to a thank you page. So I'm thanking them here for downloading the book, and then I'm offering them something else. Here it's like a strategy call. So you can do different stuff with your funnel. The whole point of it is you have to be specific about each page. Usually the first page. There are different types of funnels that we're gonna talk maybe later on it in the continuation of this video series. But this is like a general overview of the funnel, that you need a lead magnet, and then you lead the prospect into another page, thank you page. You offer them something, and maybe you try to sell them something or upsell them something or downsell them something. So this is like a general overview of the funnel, and usually you drive traffic to the funnel through your website or through Facebook ads or through AdWords ads or through any other traffic source. Funnels are very powerful to convert prospects into clients or customers. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.